Trading Armor has predicted that the market will dump within the next few hours.
Hello guys. Yes, indeed, we predicted the dump and it dumped successfully straight from 90,300 down to 37,150. And right now, what is going on smaller time frame? It is going up, but it is predicting the fake out. So look at this wave. This wave is about to turn red. When this wave turned red, that means it will crash even more, possibly down up to 35,000 or 34, because I can see this head and shoulders. We can see this head and shoulder, which is left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. It's forming the right one. And here's the baseline. So consider this one as a baseline. And where should you enter for your next short? You should enter right here. If it breaks 37k, enter short and take your profit around 35 or 34,500 right here. So here is a short opportunity. If it drop, it will drop up to, let me show you. It will drop up to here, about 7%. If you use 5x leverage, you can easily make 35% profit. And we can trade both long and short inside the box. And right now it's forming the right shoulder, so we can have another opportunity from shorting. Look, if you would have enter here, exit here, again near bottom right here, entry, exit here, but about up and here, and we could have another entry right here, maybe possibly long, maybe making like 5-7% profit to the upside, and we'll see if it can continue on the small time frame. If it hits one more time here and boom, would cross down here, or goes, if it cross up from there, so we can also make money right here. So look, it could look like this. So if it didn't hold, it could go down up to 20k, and if it goes up, right, if it cross, then it could go up to 52,000, and if it drop back down, so again 20k. So there could be the target. So first TP could be near about 24,000, which is the CME gap there in 24,000 CME gap in the old like historical chart. And there is also another CME gap at 18,000 right here, near about 18,000. If you look at the old time frame, then you will see the CME gap. I'll show you. Wait, hold on. More than a year, these two gaps right here. So these are so scary gaps. So let's write down, just for sake of like the gap, 24,000. Let's make this bigger. This is so scary. First is $24,000 gap, right? And let me go to the daily, this one. Okay, so it just like in the gap here, it came down from the all-time high to close this one, and these still, these gaps still not closed, man, still not closed. Like here was a gap, it went up to close this one. Look, here was a gap, it went up to close this one, right? And here was a gap, it went down to close this one. And what about these two? These are not closed, man. These are scary as hell. We can make short, we can short BTC and make a load of money. Imagine shorting from here and closing this gap, but we never knew. Some gaps are never closed, and some do close. I don't mean to scare you, but consider this a warning. If what if this is the M pattern and this is the left shoulder double head, and boom, so something like that. And this is more, also looks like the M pattern right here, the M pattern, boom. You see this trend line right here? Let me draw that trend line. Oh shit, imagine. So here is your, how much money you can make from this short. If you imagine, if you short from 32,000, or sorry, 34,000, man. If you short it from 34,000 with the 5x leverage. So I'm not good in math. So 5 into, it's like 130% profit. If you can make up to this gap, right? 24,000. So let me, okay, we are here. So you can make 100, near about 140% profit. But if it drops more, near about here, like 45% from here, from this trend line, then you can make like, it's I don't know how much it is. 45. I am not I'm good in math. So that's 225% profit with the 5x leverage if you short it. So just pray to God that this never happens, but this is a warning to you all.